What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. In tonight's art therapy drawing, we are drawing this abstract Zentangle pattern in tonight's art therapy drawing. So what you're waiting for, folks, let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How's everyone doing? Hope you've had a good week and good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a sketch artist and life coach, drawing people's portraits for them to photorealism, their pets, their family members, anything like that. If you want me to draw a portrait for you, you can contact me at romeo@romeosketches.co.uk. Check out my website www.romeosketches.co.uk to see all the testimonials and the other works that I've been doing for my clients. I also am a life coach as well, where I'm at the moment organising some workshops. I help people to focus, remove past trauma, help them to focus on themselves, and to believe in themselves and to lead a life that they're wanting to lead through art therapy drawings, mandala patterns, that sort of thing, on a one-to-one basis or in workshops. The workshops will be available from June. I'm just putting the flyer together at the moment. I'm going to be advertising that. That's going to be in my hometown of Walthamstow. So if you're looking to wanting to join my workshop or anything like that, you can DM me on Instagram. Hit me up that you're wanting to take part in it. If not, you can email me with the same email address, romeo@romeosketches.co.uk. I also publish my own books. I have done various mandala drawing books. My latest mandala drawing book is the Easy Mandala Art book. Very good book. You know, if you're fed up of using the protractors, compasses, things like that, this book here, I've been doing some drawings on it on a Wednesday. So if you want to check out, click that video right there if you want to check out the video. So I've also been using the glass dip pen in these videos as well. Check those videos out. But yeah, if you want to get hold of the book, click the link that's in the description below. It will take you straight through to where you can purchase that book. There's loads and loads of pages in there for you to work in, with lots of different types of layouts, of mandala layouts. You've got half layout, you've got half mandalas, you've got full ones, you've got one in an arrow, you've got two half ones as well. You've got plenty of templates in there for you to practice on. I've got playlists where you can be practicing on. There's also grid pages on there as well, so you can practice those as well. There are playlists on my YouTube channel where you can follow along practicing your mandala petals, and also videos on there where you can draw your own mandalas in this book as well. If you want to check out the book, click the link that's in the description below. And one of the other books that I have just released as well, that I have also created as well, is my 369 manifestation book. This is a brilliant book if you like to be doing this. This works on the 369 method. From the if you've not looked at it or anything, there's plenty of videos on YouTube on Nikola Tesla, on how he uses the 369 method. Pretty much standard from what he used to do as well. But in this book here, you can write down anything you want to manifest, anything you want to dream. I personally done this myself, and it has worked for myself as well. You basically have in here is what, see, I've been writing in it already, and you basically have a morning, afternoon and evening slots where you have 3 lines, 6, and 9 lines. On each one you write down your wish, your dream, whatever you are wanting to manifest in the present tense. So you will say things like I will, I want, I am happy. Those sort of things you would write in the present form, and you'll write that each day, 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, 9 times in the evening, just before you go to bed. Do that for either 21 or 31 days, and hopefully, you know, whatever you are manifesting, whatever you are dreaming will come true. Like I said, it did work for me as well. I have done it a few times, and it has worked for me. So give it a go and pick up this book from the Amazon store. The link is in the description, so start manifesting your dreams now. And moving on to today's art therapy drawing, we are drawing this very cool abstract piece. We have got the Zentangle pan that we did last week, and we've got this very cool curvy lined spiral type abstract work going on in the center of the squares there as well. This is going to be quite a bit of a long video because I'm going through the whole process of drawing the outline, the measurements. The measurements of all of this will be I'll put up the picture of the measurements for all this during the video, and you can follow along to drawing this as well. So what are you waiting for, folks? Let's roll the video. Start with an 18 by 18 centimeter square. Then mark off 11 centimeters. And then draw a diagonal line. Do a 1 centimeter gap. And draw a diagonal line. Then mark off 6 centimeters. Create your diagonal line. Same with the bottom, 6 centimeters. Connect your lines. Like so. Then you want to mark off 8 to 8 centimeters with a centimeter gap in between. Same there as well, mark off a centimeter gap and connect your lines with a diagonal line, and there we have your outline for your patterns. Now you just fill it in with your fine pen. And how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed that video. Give us a like if you did, and leave us a comment in the comment section below on how you got on with that video, and if you are creating any of these Zentangle patterns as well, upload them up to your social media and tag me in them, Romeo_sketches on Instagram. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo. This is Romeo Sketches.